Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Right now I am in the front yard of my parents' house. My parents' house is in a village and where it is completely greenery. So this is the first time I'm going to make a vlog. I would like to show the trees and plants and the vegetable garden. So I hope that you will like it and please stay tuned till the end. Good morning everyone. Today I woke up before dawn to embrace the gentle calmness of the morning. This is the road in front of my parents' house, surrounded by large green trees. Birds are chirping and roosters are crowing. The two are enjoying the beautiful morning vibes. My brother has planted Indian gooseberry, wood apple, and elephant apple trees. You can see this one is called peacock flower. My mother raises cocks, hens, and they're having their morning breakfast happily. Isn't it so nice? You can see these two are kittens. They are licking their legs and they are so adorable. Pigeons are also having their breakfast happily. This one is called henna tree, hibiscus tree. This is my mother and brother's garden where they grow different kind of plants, fruit and vegetables. You can see these are ladyfingers plant. These are ladyfingers and flowers. These are different kind of trees, betel nut trees, and you can see there is a hen roaming with her chicks, trying to protect her chicks. These are different kind of plants. Can you recognize this one plant? This one is called ashcote plant. And this one is jujube tree. I like it. Do you like lemon? We all like lemon because it is full of vitamin C and we have it with rice and curry. And I like lemon juice as well, mostly in the summer season. It makes me feel cool and refresh. You can see the different kind of plants in this garden. Can you recognize this plant? It is pineapple plant. I don't know the name of this fruit tree, and you can see that bright sunlight now. And these are pine gourd and ash gourd. Okay, see, this one is bright red color dragonfly. I used to play with dragonflies in my childhood. Right now I am in the backyard of our house and I am going near to the pond where I learned how to swim. We used to swim a lot with our siblings. Look at the surroundings of our pond. Lush greenery everywhere and a cool breeze blowing gently. You can see the pond is surrounded by different kind of trees. Drumstick tree, banana tree, and there are so many banana trees and bamboo trees. And the wind is strong. You can see how the beautiful it is. I still remember in my childhood we would swim in this pond a lot. I learned how to swim in this place. You can see the paddy field where we would catch fish. I would catch fish with my grandfather. Due to climate change these days it does not pour that much. At times it drizzles. In my childhood during floods we would catch fish here and we made some rafts and floated on water. But nowadays the scenery is different. There is no water in the paddy field. But fortunately, you can see the blue bright sky. And this is the pond. How is it? Do you like it? I hope that you enjoyed this glimpse of my village life. Do you also love the natural beauty of the countryside? If yes, please share your thoughts in the comments below.